Take 2.
Jeff the Seagull, take 2. Ah! Hola. Lo siento, no gracias. Sí. No vale la pena. Jeff and Terry.
We're such. We're best good. Are you French? Charlie can speak French as well. Don't look at me. I'm only joking.
Merci beaucoup.
Jeff. Come on. Oh, Jeff. Seriously.
Jeff has been my hat for most of the evening.
Charlie, he loves you.
Jeff, we can't be together. This is bestiality.
But why? Why, Jeff?
Bestiality. We just can't do this.
But I want to be inside your anus.
Jeff, you got no penis.
I have a penis, see?
See?
It is up my size. Boner. I have a boner. Oh, back inside. I don't like it.
Don't like
Charlie, I will suggest you.
Jeff.
Oh,
he trained himself.
Jeff is bringing out the moves.
He
the
is.
Moves.
Jeff, what happened to Brian? Explain what happened to Brian for the court.
He couldn't understand our relationship, so he got anorexic.
So what happened to Brian? Where is he now?
This is Brian.
See what happened to Brian? He was a juicy.
No! It's your fault! I blame you! I'm sorry. No! I'm gonna swim a winner.
He was a juicy shark. But now he's a skinny shark.
Charlie, I will show my penis. I will show my penis, okay? I love how
Don't throw Jeff out the window. What are you doing? Oh, Jeff. Oh, Jeff.
Charlie, what? I want your baby.
Jeff, you just spilled wine on my floor.
I did. Oh, my bad.
Oh, my bad. Jeff, can I have a side view? Just really quickly. Jeff. Jeff, I'm not sure if I press record.
Are you lying again? Oh, I'm back. Just in case.
Jeff, attack me.